Welcome to How to Master. This video I'll show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to Binance. So first open KuCoin, go over to your assets, and then at the top go to funding, and then tap on withdraw. Then you have to select the crypto that you want to transfer. For this video I'll be using USDT. Then you'll be taken to the withdraw page where you have to fill out all this information, wallet address, network, withdraw amount. But for now, skip over wallet address and tap on network. Now I would suggest using the Solana network as it's the cheapest, but that's entirely up to you. And now we have to get the wallet address from Binance. So now to get the address, we'll have to open up the Binance app. As soon as you're in, go to portfolio, tap on deposit, and then select the same currency that you chose in KuCoin obviously, and that is USDT for me. So now select the same network that you chose, which is going to be Solana. So go ahead and copy the wallet address from your Binance, then paste it in the appropriate field in KuCoin. Then you want to enter the amount of money you want to transfer in this field. After you hit withdraw, it's going to ask you for your trading password, your 2FA code, email verification, and for obvious reasons it won't let me screen record, but after you fill all of that out, you should be seeing this. And if you head over to Binance, you should see something similar. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing and liking to support the channel.